Why did Ally Financial stock take a sudden dive? Was it a market-wide downturn, a company-specific issue, or something else entirely? Let's dive into the details to uncover the reasons behind this unexpected drop. Ally Financial, once a rising star in the financial services industry, experienced a significant stock price decline. This unexpected downturn sparked curiosity among investors and analysts alike. To understand the underlying factors, we need to examine the broader market context, specific company news, and potential future implications. Market-wide factors. Economic indicators. A decline in economic indicators like GDP growth, unemployment rates, or inflation can negatively impact the overall stock market, including Ally Financial. Interest rate changes. Changes in interest rates set by the Federal Reserve can influence the profitability of banks and financial institutions like Ally. Rising interest rates can sometimes lead to increased borrowing costs and reduced consumer spending, which can impact Ally's business. Geopolitical events. Global events such as trade wars, political instability, or natural disasters can create uncertainty in the market, leading to stock price volatility, including for Ally. Company-specific factors. Earnings reports. If Ally's earnings reports fall short of analysts' expectations, it can lead to a sell-off by investors who may be disappointed with the company's performance. Regulatory changes. Changes in regulations affecting the financial industry can impact Ally's operations and profitability. Management changes. Any significant changes in Ally's management team, such as the departure of key executives or the appointment of new leadership, can create uncertainty and affect investor sentiment. Product issues or recalls. In the case of a product recall or a major issue with a product or service, it can damage Ally's reputation and lead to financial losses. Analyzing the stock drop. To truly understand the reasons behind Ally's stock decline, it's essential to conduct a thorough analysis, considering both market-wide and company-specific factors. This analysis may involve reviewing financial statements. Examining Ally's financial statements can provide insights into the company's financial health, profitability, and debt levels. Monitoring news and analyst reports. Staying up to date with news articles and analyst reports can help identify any recent developments or concerns that may have impacted the stock price. Using technical analysis. Technical analysis can be used to identify trends and patterns in Ally's stock price chart, which may provide clues about future price movements. Considering investor sentiment. Understanding the overall sentiment of investors towards Ally can help gauge the potential impact on the stock price. Future outlook. While the recent stock decline may have caused concern, it's important to consider Ally's long-term prospects. Factors such as the company's strong brand reputation, diversified business model, and focus on digital innovation can contribute to its future growth. However, it's crucial to monitor the evolving economic landscape, regulatory environment, and competitive pressures to assess the potential risks and opportunities for Ally. The decline in Ally Financial stock price can be attributed to a combination of market-wide factors and company-specific issues. By understanding the underlying causes, investors can make informed decisions about their investments in Ally. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.